We all know that we have 7 main chakras in the body. Location has been shared with this video. Let's do a very simple, small and very effective meditation today to balance and heal your chakras. हमारे चक्रास 7 चक्रास के 7 सीड साउंड्स होते हैं, मंत्रास होते हैं. उन मंत्रा से उन चक्रास की डिविनिटी ऑटोमेटिकली जागृत होती है. So I'm just repeating once. Root chakra is lung, sacral chakra is vang, solar plexus chakra is rang, heart chakra is yang, throat chakra is hung, and then third eye chakra is om, and for crown chakra we chant the humming sound. So close your eyes, relax. You can sit anywhere on the chair, on your bed, wherever you feel relaxed. Right? And if you're sitting on a chair, beneath your feet, there should be a mat, some cloth, so that there is no urging of the energy. So breathe in and chant. We will chant for each chakra, we will chant 5 times, 5 to 7 times. Lung, 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 While chanting, feel the focus on that particular chakra. You can feel anything, the vibration, the color. Whosoever has what kind of knowledge can visualize accordingly. We are moving from bottom to top. So now move on to the sacral chakra, the second chakra from the bottom, and the sound is Vang. 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 Move on to the solar plexus chakra on your navel. Rang. 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 Move on to your heart chakra in between your chest and chant Yang, Yang. 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 Move your focus onto your throat chakra. Move on to your third eye in between your eyebrows. Try that your back should be straight, neck straight, but if you are feeling like relaxing now, you can let your body loose. Move on to your crown chakra, top of your head. And now visualize a micro orbit, a circle which is coming like this vertically, moving from here to the back. It's like this. Feel the circuit of energy, a complete circle, moving from back to the top and then back and to the top. Feel this energy, you will enjoy. From the bottom root to the back sacral, back solar, heart, throat, third eye, crown, and from crown to front third eye, throat, heart, solar, sacral, root, and it's moving like in an orbit. Do it for 2-3 minutes. Enjoy the energy. Rub your hands. On your eyes, and open your eyes whenever you feel like. Enjoy this energy. You can do it every day. It will help you immensely. Thank you so much.